Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, lived a little rabbit named Nala. She was known for her bright, twinkling eyes and her soft, velvety fur. One sunny day, Nala found a shiny, golden acorn. It was the biggest she had ever seen. But instead of eating it, she decided to keep it safe. She carried the golden acorn with her everywhere, even to bed at night. Every night, she would dream of what might be hiding inside. One day, Nala's friend, Timmy the squirrel, saw her golden acorn. "That's mine," he said, his bushy tail twitching with excitement. Nala was sad, but she remembered something her mother had told her. "Sharing is caring," she said. "Let's find something that Timmy would like too." Nala and Timmy set off on an adventure, exploring the meadow and the forest, looking for a special treasure. They found a beautiful, red berry bush. Timmy's eyes lit up. "These are my favorite," he said, picking a few berries for himself. Nala, in return, showed Timmy a hidden patch of daisies. He was amazed and thanked Nala for her kindness. With their new treasures, Timmy and Nala shared the golden acorn and the berries. From that day on, they became the best of friends, sharing everything they found. And Nala, with her big heart and kind spirit, continued to make new friends and share her treasures with everyone. She was indeed a brave little rabbit, always ready to help and always spreading joy. The end.